Stock number 6310 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a restored and modernized 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3100 pickup. This truck looks fantastic, covered in bright red paint contrasting with the metalwork, emblems, and chrome bumpers. The interior includes modern bucket seats, digital gauges, and an S10 steering wheel. It has a fuel-injected 5.7 LT1 Corvette intake with a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission and a 12-bolt rear end with 373 gears. It also has disc brakes in the front and drums in the rear to get it stopped, and a Fat Man Mustang 2 suspension in the front while leaf springs handle the back. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall's inventory is fluid and vehicles described may not be available at time of broadcast. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next Classic at classicautomall.com.